Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll explore the Figma Variables block, a community content block developed by our partner Smartiv. With this block, you finally have the ability to document Figma variables, like colors, numbers, and strings, directly in Frontify. It's a great way to keep your design system up to date and easily accessible for everyone involved. Let's take a closer look at how it works. I need to document the colors of my design system in Frontify. To do that, I'll navigate to my Figma file. Type variables2JSON in the search bar at the bottom of the screen to find the plugin. And then I download the generated JSON file, which contains all my Figma variables. Back in Frontify, I find where to document my colors. Foundation is the right place. Then I navigate to the color menu item, and there it is, tokens. In edit mode, I add a new block and select the Figma variables block from the list of available options. Now it's time to upload my JSON file. And there you have it, a variables tab in your design system. Let's select colors from the drop-down menu. And here it is, your full list of colors, primary, secondary, content, and more. You can sort the colors alphabetically or by value type. Also, in edit mode, you can hide specific values from the list. You can see that those values don't appear to viewers when switching to view mode. Like here, olive green is no longer visible. Viewers also have the possibility to copy values directly from the tab. So if they need to use a color in a presentation, a mock-up, or even code, the value is right there, ready to go. And that's it. The Figma variables block makes it easy to document your design system variables clearly and consistently. Download the block from the Frontify marketplace to get started. Thanks for watching.